Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can play City Skylines with your friends. This video is going to be in two parts, so feel free to skip a part if you have already done that. And now let's get into the video. First, and this is pretty straightforward, you need City Skylines. There are two versions of City Skylines that work with this mod. You have the Steam version, which I do not have, and you have the Epic or other PC versions. Okay, we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna search City Skylines multiplayer mod. All of the links will be in the description. You'll get this one and you'll click on it. There are some ways to do it. First, if you have the Steam version, you can just click on this link and here press subscribe and you'll have it and you don't need to do anything. If you do not have it, you can go into the manual download and you can just click here and you'll get a GitHub page. I'll just download this one. You'll go into your downloads. You'll extract it and you'll get some files. What you will do is you will just right click this one, say run with PowerShell, open, it will run it, it's done. But now, before we start up City Skylines, we also need to make sure that our friends can connect with us. So go back to Google, search Zero Tire, sign up, make yourself an account, log in, and now we'll be in our networks. Normally this will be empty, so just press create new network. We'll click on it. As you can see, we can change the name to something like City Skylines connection. That, enter. You can put in the description like, this is for my friends to connect to my server. To my game. That. This is all not important, and then we're going to here at the members tab, you will see that none of the devices have joined. Well, we're going to go back to here and you're going to press the download. You're going to press Windows, Mac OS or Linux or FreeBSD or NAS, that it depends on what you're using. Android or iOS shouldn't normally work, so I wouldn't download those. So I'm going to do Windows. It will download an installer. Run it. Yes, allow it to do it. As you can see, it's installed successfully. We'll wait for this thing to close. It's done now. So we're gonna just go into here and just search for 001. Click on it. As you can see, we'll get this icon. Right click, show networks. Here you'll see all the networks you already joined. This should be empty. So right click again, join network. Go into your network that you just created. Go all the way to the top, and here you have a network ID. Copy it, fill it in here. Just leave it like it is, like that, and just press join. Scroll down, refresh. Yes, I want to allow it. we need to reload it. Now here you can see we enable it, we refresh again, give this a name like host, like that. This is your, oh, this is the host, like that. You'll have an IP here. Oh yeah, description didn't save for some reason. You'll have an IP here. You can change the way your IP is managed. So I like to use the 192 versions, so I'm just gonna click on it and it will just generate a new IP for everyone. But now just reload, should work. As you can see, we got a second IP. You can still use this one, but for now we're just gonna use this one. So we're gonna copy this, and now our friends will also have to do the exact same steps for Zero Tire. They do not need to make an account. So what your friends will do is they will also install Zero Tire like you did. They will also open it, and they will also join the network. They will give in the same exact code that is given in the browser. So here at the top, given the exact same code, and then they will be shown here. Press this little check mark. They will also be in your network, and then they can join. So let's now just launch City Skylines, and yeah, we're gonna start it. We're gonna start doing the fun stuff. So City Skylines has started up. That's good. Go into your content manager, go into the mods, disable all of them. All. Don't leave anything on, because if you just have one on, it will just the multiplayer will just not work correctly. Some things will just disappear. Same for assets. Disable all of them. Just wait for it to do it, because it takes a while. As you can see now, all of them are disabled. Styles, you can leave those on. Map themes, you cannot leave the rest, you can just leave on. Now in the mods, you're gonna search here for the multiplayer. So that's the one that you installed, or with the script that you downloaded from GitHub or from the Steam Workshop, depending on what version you have. You enable it, you'll close it, and you'll get, most people got this join game on the bottom. So this is what your friends will press, and they will give in the IP address that is yours. So that is the one that we just copied. That's the IP address. But we are going to create a new game. Just pick one that you like. Just gonna pick a random one. Don't really care. Just give this a name like friends, like that. You can just change this to another team if you want, and start it. This will start loading, and I'll see you when we're in the world. So yeah, we got the terrible frame rate that everybody expects from my videos, and we got the world. That's the most important part. So yeah, now your friends want to join, so you're gonna go into escape, you're gonna go to multiplayer, you're just gonna leave everything like this. You're gonna set your username, you can set a password if you want. This local IP is not the right one, it's just, it uses all the IPs it can find, so even the Zero Tire one. You're gonna press create server. Once that's done, you should get a message on the chirper. As you can see, the server has started, which is good. It says it failed to open the port, but it isn't, because we have Zero Tire. So we're gonna close it again. Now your friends are gonna join, And I'll insert a clip here of me doing that with a friend. And yeah, that's basically it. So, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, maybe I'll see you in the next one. See ya!